Hi, this is Alejandro from Spotahome Madrid, and I'm about to show you a really nice one-bedroom apartment. It is located in Plaza de España, so you're really next to Plaza de España and Gran Via, so you're just in the center of Madrid, and I'm really excited to show you this apartment. Okay? Here, this is the hallway, that's the living room and kitchen right here. This is the main door of the apartment. And as we get into the apartment, we have the kitchen here on our right, and let's take a look. Okay, we have everything we need. It's fully equipped and it's very nice. All right, let's close the door. Down here we have a washing machine. Okay, coffee maker, very nice one. Okay, sink, stove, microwave, and fridge. Alright, we have absolutely everything we need. Toaster up there, cups, mugs, glasses, plates. Okay, just everything we need. Okay, even these coffees for the machine. Okay. All right. Let's see the living room. All right. This is the living room. Okay, let's take a look. Alright, here we have this couch, that painting up there. Alright, let's sit on the couch. Alright, right there we have a table with 2 chairs to work, study, or eat. You can also eat here in front of the TV. Okay, this is a very nice table and TV. Alright, this giant window. Okay, let's see if I can open it. Alright, I'll show you. Okay, there. I don't know if you're gonna be able to hear me. They're doing some work down there, but besides that, it's very quiet. I mean, right now they're working, but if they wouldn't be working right now, it would be very quiet, even though we are here in Plaza de España. Right, and that right there is Plaza de España, so you're just there. You're really close to it. Alright, let's see the bedroom here. Has a king size bed. It is huge. Alright, let's try it. Oh, I wish I had one of these for me. Can even feel like a family in this bed. Okay. That window is also the same view as the living room to Plaza de España. Right. We have that seat right there. Let's do bedside tables or bedside stands. This closet right here. Let's open it. Alright, we have a lot of space to hang our clothes and store everything we have. Alright. Here we have a rack to dry our clothes, an ironing board, and this other closet here. Alright, and a mirror, and this is the bathroom. Alright, it's a very nice bathroom with the towels ready to be used. Alright, Have the toilet right there, and this really big shower. Let's take a look from here. Right, mirror and sink, shower, and toilet. All right, it's a very nice apartment, and this is it. Thanks for watching. This is Alejandro from Spotahome Madrid, and see you next time. See you next time. Bye.